I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery 2012. So on your phone, go to music, you'll see there Bob Dylan. Now if I click play, at the bottom there you'll see Land Rover, so it's connected to this. That basically means any music, any audio, whether it be on YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music or iTunes, it will play if you've got the system set up right. Just to make sure, look, if you click on the three red circles and the triangle there, you've got iPhone and Land Rover. Land Rover's got a tick next to it, so that's it. We'll go back to Bob Dylan. So that's playing. I'm going to turn him down over to the system, and you've got audio video. Click on audio video. Now I'm going to do something else just to I'm going to put it on radio first, because sometimes it's confusing. The only thing on a Land Rover that is sometimes confusing, I think. So it's playing on here, we want to play it on there. You've got there radio, and because it's on radio, there's a plus there, and it allows you to change certain things when you click on the plus. But we're looking for auxiliary or your Bluetooth music. So you have to go to My Music. So you click on My Music. Now it was on CD, so it's saying please insert disc. But when it goes back, when that clears and it goes back, you now see a plus next to My Music. You click on the plus, Barry's iPhone. So that's what we want to select there. Knocking on Heaven's Door, Bob Dylan. I turn it up here, turn it up, and then that's it. Real good system. The sound's fantastic in here. That's how you do that.